How's it going, guys? So for this group presentation, there are a lot of insights that I got from both of the businesses that we interviewed. I would say the biggest one though was learning that businesses actually plan a lot. They have goals and they plan for these goals. They have things that they're just constantly planning and constantly, organizing themselves. And that's something that's, huge that I didn't really see much as in a business. Like I knew businesses would organize themselves, but I didn't know, to that extent that they do it. Like everything that they do has been planned out and from the money to who is going to be working to the managers and the goals and how they do that. I just like really saw how much also like leadership is and how involved it is in the people that that these businesses run. I think one of the best practices that I think that I could use for my future business is, their planning. Again, their concepts of planning. Never, falling behind in the planning. So for every year that goes, I'm always planning at least a year in advance. And then also, these plans are written down. They're not just, said and not written down and not carried out because like they said or one of like in one of the interviews the one at Kulo, the COO told me that a goal that is not written down or a um something that's not written down or a task that's not written down is just a dream and will never happen. So I think again, writing down those things and truly going after them and planning for things way in advance so that you can prepare for it or even get ready for the things so that when your business is running, everything goes smoothly. So I think that's something that we could use in my future businesses. And so yeah, thank you. That's kind of like what I learned. I learned a lot more in these businesses, but that's just something that I wanted to share. And thank you.